Hi students, we start a new subject for the current semester which is more interesting, more useful, more fascinating, more trending subject, which is nothing but data warehousing and mining. Okay, data warehousing and mining, and whatever the subject that you are going to learn in the near future, okay, like artificial intelligence, like data science, like business intelligence, okay, like any other subject which is trending today, okay, for that the base subject which we are supposed to understand is data warehousing and mining, right? As the need of the user is increasing, the data is growing like anything. The today's environment, in the today's environment, the data is growing like anything. Okay, tremendous change in the data, the evolution of the data. Okay, so as the data is growing, we are supposed to have different subjects. Okay, when we were studying, there is no subject like data warehousing and mining, because at that time there was no voluminous data. Though the voluminous data is there, okay, so there was no need of data warehousing and mining. Okay, so the most interesting subject, most useful subject which we are going to learn, okay, right, for the current semester is data warehousing and mining. Please try to understand. If you understand this subject, then the rest of the subjects, all the advanced subjects will be a cakewalk for you. It will be a cakewalk for you, right? So what exactly this data warehousing and mining, right? How it has become, how it was evolved like a most fascinating subject, we'll get into the subject. Okay, we'll get through the knowledge, right? So before getting into that, we are supposed to understand the basic things like this. Okay, see this, the most interesting: data, information and knowledge. Okay, data, information and knowledge. These three are the most essential concepts which we are supposed to understand as a part of this subject. Now tell me, what is data? What is data? Okay, right. So what is data means? Let us understand. Data means a collection of raw facts. What is data? Data means a collection of raw facts. A collection of raw facts. A collection of raw facts is nothing but your data. Okay, collection of raw facts means what? I would like to tell you, right, value 5.7 and 72. Okay, 5.7 and 72. These two are the raw data. Okay, these two are raw data in fact. Okay, what exactly they mean? They are the raw data. What do you mean by 5.7? What do you mean by 72? Okay, so we cannot exactly predict, but this is data in fact. I would like to tell you one simple thing like 5.7, 5.2, 4.9, 3.2, okay, and 6.1. I would like to give you the data like this. What exactly this means? Okay, no, we have no idea at all what exactly this data is all about. I say, right, because this is raw data. What exactly it means, I do not know. Okay, again I would like to tell you 72, 45, 70, 90 and 36, 32, okay, and 3, 23 and 3. What exactly they mean? They mean again nothing actually. I don't understand what exactly they mean, but I understand that this is data. Okay, I understand that this is data and it may represent something actually. Okay, what exactly it is going to represent, I may not know. I may not know. Isn't it? Did you get my point? Right. So this is raw data which doesn't convey basically anything. The interpretation of this data may be difficult to understand. But now what I do is I just try to convert this data into information. I just convert this data into information. Now what I said is 5.7 is my height. I said 5.7 is my height, suppose. Okay, 72 is my weight, suppose. Okay, now when I convey that, right, height is 5.7 and 72 is my weight. Now this is information. Earlier, what is 72? 72, in my view, 72 is my weight. In somebody else's view, 72 is the flat number. Okay, right? Did you get my point? Somebody else's point of view, 72 may be the mileage of the two-wheeler. Mileage of the two-wheeler, suppose. Okay, right? Maybe in some other's view, some other student's perspective, 72 may be their roll number in the class. In some other's perspective, 72 may be the employee code. It varies. That's what I mean to say. Okay, so everybody can have their own interpretation unless and until I convert data into information. Now tell me, what is this information? Information is all about any processed data. Any processed data will become information. Okay, any processed data will become information. Now I would like to say, what is this? This is an array of heights. Okay, array of heights of right, all the students in a class, suppose, or the heights of all the members of the family, suppose. Okay, this is the heights. Now I have converted this into data, right, information. The data has been converted into information. Right. Now what is this? Right, what is this 72 and 45, 70, and obviously the weights of all the family members of a family, particular family. Okay, so any data will be converted into information then. Okay, so when you convert this data into information, right, now you are going to extract something out of it. Okay, you understand that this is your data. Okay, now imagine, suppose I have a family, suppose X is the family, right, where we have different heights. Now the point is, okay, there are 5 family members. Okay, These family members have got the heights, okay, 6.2, okay, 6.1, okay, 6, 5.9 and 5.7. Okay, these are the heights of the members of a. So the most interesting subject, most useful subject which we are going to learn, okay, right, for the current semester is data warehousing and mining. Please try to understand. If you understand this subject, then the rest of the subjects, all the advanced subjects will be a cakewalk for you.